Hey, what's up guys? 2010 Nissan Sentra. I'm gonna be doing the headlight. It's a 2010, it's a Sentra. So basically my headlight's on, this one's not on. So let's go ahead and get to it. Basically what you want to do is come over here and there's a green connector. It's like I call it the Christmas connector because it's red and green, and that's your headlight. So what you want to do is the little red part in the middle, that's a locking clip. You need to take something and gently push that backwards, and that'll unlock the release button, so you're able to push the button down with your thumb and then pull this back. On the end of the button, you just push with your thumb, wiggle this and pull it straight backwards, and then it should come off. They could be stubborn, especially the older the car is. Yeah, we'll put that aside, and you're gonna twist this bulb towards the outside of the car, towards the left. There are these little tabs on the end of it, which were very considerate for them to put on there. You use your fingers on those tabs and then twist it towards the outside of the car, and then it should come loose. I couldn't really get a good angle, but you twist it that way. I couldn't get a good angle, but basically you untwist it, it'll come out, you pull it out, and here it is. I'll put links in the description and comments to a new bulb. Yeah, there's the part number, and also there's a gasket on this. It's red. And every time I've taken these off of cars, this gasket always stays on. You need to make sure you get this off, because when you put your new one on, it's going to have its own new gasket, and you don't want to double gasket it. So here's my new one. Same thing, same bulb. Again, check the description for links. We'll put this in. These are those tabs I was talking about. Those is what you're going to put this on and twist it towards the inside of the vehicle to lock it. So we'll get this in. I apologize for these trash camera angles, but this is just like a weird one to get. So you put this in, you're going to move it around until you could feel like the tabs fall into place, and then you're going to twist it to the right. Sometimes you got to rotate it like 360 until it goes in, and then you'll feel it. Once it's in, then you're going to twist it to the right to lock it in place. It shouldn't move after it's tightened in. And then we'll put this connector on, push the green part on first all the way, and then once it's on all the way, you push the red part in to lock it. And that's it, guys. That's how you do your headlight bulb. Of course, let's test it out. Turn this on, and then boom. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Guys, I want to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.